Hello viewers, welcome to LearningSkill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Landing CMS on CentOS 7. Landing CMS is a simple and cross-platform for management landing pages. It does not use any databases. Okay, now in this tutorial we will cover the installation procedure of Landing CMS on CentOS 7. Okay, now here before starting installation, you have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 5.6. Okay, now here first of all we have to download the Landing CMS package by using duplicate command. The download is going on. Then after downloading we have to extract this download file by using unzip command. Then we have to list out this directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission for the Landing CMS directory. Then we have to move the Landing CMS directory into the /var/ww/html directory by using move command. Then we have to configure the virtual host for Landing CMS. So go to conf.d. Here we have to create landing.conf file by using vim editor. Now change insert mode. Now here we have to create name-based virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enter to the host file. Change insert mode. Here give our local IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache server. Then after restarting our Apache server, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Now here we can see Landing CMS installation. So now here we have to click go to CMS. Then here we can see password authentication. Now we have to create new password. Then we have to click save. Then finally here we can see admin page of Landing CMS. Thus you have seen how to install Landing CMS on CentOS 7. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel LinuxSkill. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxskill.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxskill.com.